Meet Kristina, a brilliant business coach who specializes in income stacking and quantum mind practices. She had a thriving coaching business, helping small businesses master their marketing. But traditional funnels felt rigid. Potential clients were getting lost in a maze of generic landing pages. She needed a way to guide her audience naturally, without sacrificing her own time. That's when she transformed her entire strategy using Chatsistant.com. Kristina effortlessly set up her own custom digital assistant, affectionately named Toby, right on her funnels. It was an absolute game changer. She trained her AI with strict rules, never share outside links, and gently guide every single visitor toward her free resources and premium paid offers. Behind the scenes, the setup was incredibly simple. By just typing a name and a short description, Kristina added custom variables. Her Chatsistant immediately began collecting real-time data from conversations, sending it directly to her lead sheets and analytics so she could optimize exactly what her clients needed. She even trained the AI on the nuances of her quantum mind practices, teaching it to share just enough wisdom to inspire visitors and seamlessly lead them to book her advanced coaching gigs. But Kristina took it a step further. She tested her traditional landing pages against a purely conversational AI funnel. Using Chatsistant, she built an interactive chat experience that provided perfectly timed calls to action, complete with rich images and YouTube video embeds using simple Markdown. The results were mind-blowing. She wasn't just tailoring natural conversations to her site visitors, she was syncing them completely with her back end. Visitors were opting in directly through the chat. The AI created new contacts in her database instantly and automatically fired off the exact email redirects needed to finish the conversation journey. By combining these conversational strategies, Kristina doubled down on her multiple paths of income. Today, she truly embodies the work less, live more lifestyle. She enjoys a relaxed 2-hour workday, simply overseeing her automated systems while focusing her energy on the paid coaching gigs she loves. You too can excel like Kristina and build the automated business of your dreams. Start your journey today at Chatsistant.com.